Are you frustrated with seeing a no signal message on your TCL Roku TV? Don't worry, you're not alone. I'll explain you how to fix the no signal issue on your TCL Roku TV. By following these steps, you'll likely have your TV back up and running in no time. Step 1. Check your input source. One of the most common reasons for a no signal message is that the TV is set to the wrong input source. First, grab your remote and press the input or source button. This will bring up a list of available input sources. Ensure that you're on the correct HDMI port or source where your external device, such as a cable box or streaming stick, is connected. Sometimes an accidental press of a button can change the input, leading to this issue. Step 2. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Loose or disconnected cables can also cause the no signal issue. Turn off your TV and any external devices and carefully examine all connections. Unplug and replug each cable with a secure fit. If you're using a streaming stick or a Blu-ray player, check if those connections are connected as well. If possible, try different cables to rule out any issues with the current cables. It's also a good idea to inspect the ports for any visible signs of damage or dust buildup that could affect connectivity. Step 3. Power cycle. A simple power cycle can resolve the problem. Unplug your TV from the power outlet, as well as any connected devices like your cable box or gaming console. Wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging everything back in. This process can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches causing the no signal issue. After reconnecting, power on your TV and the devices to see if the problem is solved. Step 4. Update your software. To check for updates, navigate to the Roku home screen and go to Settings. From there, select System, and then System Update to see if there are any available updates for your device. If an update is available, proceed with the installation. Keeping your software up to date ensures that your TV is running smoothly and minimizes any issues that might arise from your outdated software. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the steps work, you might want to consider a factory reset. Be sure it's your last resort, as this will erase all your personal settings and installed apps and return it to the original state. To do this, go to Settings and then System and then Advanced System Settings and then select Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Once your TV restarts, set it up as if it were new. This process should clear any glitches and potentially fix the no signal issue. Facing a no signal problem on your TCL Roku TV can be incredibly frustrating, but by following these steps, you stand a good chance of resolving the issue. Whether it involves adjusting your input source, securing connections, or updating the software, these methods should help you get your TV back to normal. Remember to always handle your devices with care and avoid future issues. We hope this guide was helpful. I hope that you get back into enjoying your favorite content in no time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.